Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Again, we are back again on a new video update from Biafra Liberation Army camp. We have noticed that today being December 13th of December 2024, a lot of information is coming out based on the engagement and involvement of Biafra Liberation Army against Nigerian Army, just to make sure that our land is protected and everything is intact. We have seen how Nigerian Army, are burning down some properties and individual houses in the name of, point and kill going on in our land, courtesy of our people who claim they want to bring peace by killing their brothers and their sisters, just to prove that they're innocent citizens and good citizens of Nigeria and all that. So what you are going to see here is the latest update based on what is going on in the land, and I'm going to allow the video to roll play. But before then, please like the video and comment. Tell us what you think about what we are discussing. Make sure that you comment and subscribe to the channel. Very, very important that you do so. Let's go there. So what we are seeing is Nigerian Army. This Nigerian Army.
Biafra n'eya ewe be out. So I want to attack here and have run to. You can see this is the bullet of their snipers. What they using attacking our mothers in the marketplace. Look at what you can see. Person, look at our old elderly moms. Some are injured, seriously injured, and in the hospital. You can see many are injured. You can see it. You can see it. Look at our market square. You can see this is the bullet of their snipers. So I want to start. I feel maybe when I go in and carry one. A man I hope I will example. I'm more like Biafra n'eya. It will be out. So I want to attack here and have run to. There we are, guys, and Pamoisa. Pamoisa. Guys, and Palequano, Yanka Haji today, Yanka Habra. About that man knew we never have. 13th December being Friday. Yana Habra ya da men new Chineke Mambo Bahaba. So I want the Hajibaka Buani. Number start. My big well honored. I feel maybe when I go in Buan and carry Buan. A man I hope I will example. I'm more like Biafra n'eya. It will be out. So I want the attack here and Habra to. There we are, guys, and Pamoisa. Shooting anyhow on people. Look at it. These are blasted. These are blasting from their rocket launcher. You can see. You can see it. This is the rubber head. You can see it. Blasting from their rocket launcher. These are proofs. You can see a church. This is how they shot. They invaded the church. You can see. Shooting on Sunday morning. You can see it. The pastor is nowhere to be found. Since then, we haven't seen the pastor. We don't even know whether he's injured or dead, or they captured him. You can see, it's a church. You can see the entrance. Please, Finland, help us out. Trump, we all hope on you. We are calling on the world leaders to please come and put concern into all this. You can see happening life in Okigwe. Fighter jets don't come. They just now the Liberation Army, and they're going to use they joke with. As all I collect ya, all the Pugasa. I'm going to go this church. I'm going to go church. I check now. Dajada, Parapa, Kajabo, Unudako, and Ayara. Biafra Liberation Army, they won't try you. They won't try Biafra Liberation Army. They got Nigeria Army. I can church now, yeah. As all I can have a polo. Undo Chagisi, Undo. I'm a new message you. Someone video. I was going to one. Undo Chagisi. Yes, sir. I collect ya. Nobody make it sham. Say it happen. You know the joke. This is Baron the gentle lion. It's a boss up. When it's so collect ya. I know the joke. Then I think Nigeria will destroy you.